Express each of the decimal numbers in the form of P by Q. First question 0.3, 0.5 bar. So this we need to write in the form of P by Q. For that what we need to do, I am supposing that let x is equal to 0.5 bar. 5 bar in the sense this can be written as 0.555 so on. Here in this how many digits are being repeating? Only one digit. So then that periodicity is set with what? 1. Okay, let us see period. Period means what? In the any non-terminating repeating decimal, the group of digit which is repeating, that is set as what? Period. In this non-terminating repeating decimal, what digit is being repeating? Only 5. So that is set as what? Period. And how many digits are being repeating? That is set as what? Periodicity. So periodicity is equal to 1. If periodicity is equal to is 1, then this equation 1 has to be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 means 10. That means this equation 1 should be multiplied by 10 on both sides. So multiply equation 1 by 10 on both sides. On doing this, 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.555 so on. Okay, from this what we are going to get? 10 into x is 10x. 10x is equal to, if you multiply any decimal number by 10, this decimal point moves towards the right for the one step. So on doing so, you get it as a 5.555 and so on you are going to get. So this is of second equation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract the equation 1 from the equation 2. On subtracting equation 1 from the equation 2, equation 2 minus equation 1. On doing this, we are going to get it as an 10x is equal to 5.55 so on, and x is 0.555 so on. And subtracting this, we are going to get it as 10x minus x, that is of 9x is equal to 5. From this we get x is equal to 5 by 9. X is equal to 5 by 9. This is a P by Q form of 0.5 bar. Okay, now let us see the next question. In the next question we have given with the 3.8 bar. 3.8 bar. So as usual, I am supposing this x is equal to 3.8 bar, which is of 3.888 so on, and I am supposing that this is the equation 1. And here what is period? Period is 8. Now how many digits are there in the period? That is set without periodicity. So periodicity is also 1. If periodicity is 1, then equation 1 should be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, that is of 10. So multiply equation 1 by 10 on both sides. On doing this, you get it as an 10 into x is equal to 10 into 3.888 so on. On doing this, you get it as an 10x is equal to 38.888 and so on. So this is of second equation. Now if you observe this, from this second equation, if you subtract the first equation, you get a x value. Okay, so for this what I'm going to do, equation 2 minus equation 1, that is 10x is equal to 38.888 so on, and x is equal to 3.888 so on. On subtracting this, we get 10x minus x, that is of 9x. 9x is equal to 38 minus 3, that is of 35, and this all remains as zeros. From this you get a 9x is equal to 35. Then x is equal to 35 by 9. X is equal to 35 by 9. Okay, so this is an p by q form of 3.8 bar. Now let's see the next question. Next question is that 0.36 bar for a 36. So I'm supposing that x is equal to 0.36. I'm writing bar for 36. I'm writing as an 36 3 36 36 so on, and I'm supposing this as a first equation. Now what is period here? Period is 36 and periodicity. What is periodicity? Periodicity is 2. As 2 digits are repeating in that period, then this is set result. Periodicity is 2. If periodicity is 2, then equation 1 must be multiplied by 10 square. 10 square in the sense 100. So multiply equation 1 by 10 square, which is equal to 100 on both sides. On both sides we need to multiply. So I'm doing this. 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.363636 so on. Now 100 into x, we get it as an 100x is equal to, if you multiply this decimal number by 100, this decimal point moves towards the right for the 2 more steps, then you get it as an 36.3636 and so on you will get. And now I'm supposing this as an equation 2. Okay, so this is of equation 2. Then what is the next step? Can you guess? Yes, you are correct. We have to subtract the equation 1 from the equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, on doing this you get it as an 100x is equal to 36.3636 so on, and equation 1 is x is equal to 0.3636 so on. Unsubtracting it 100x minus x, that is of 99x, is equal to 36. From this x is equal to 36 by 99. Both are divisible by 3 table. So 3 3s are 3 3s, 3 1s 3 2s, again divisible by 3, so 11s 4s, then you get it as a 4 by 11. So this is an p by q form of 0.36 bar for the 36. Now let us say the last question in this bit we have given with 3.127 bar for 7. So what I'm going to take? I'm going to take x is equal to 3.127 bar for 7, which can be written as 3.12777 so on. So here what is period? Period is 7. Periodicity is 1. As periodicity is 1, this equation 1 should be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, that is of 10. So multiply equation 1 by 10 on both sides. On doing this, 10 into x is equal to 10 into 3.12777 so on. From this you get it as an 10x is equal to 31.2777 and so on you will get. This I am supposing as an equation 2. Now what I am going to do, I am going to subtract the equation 1 from the equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So equation 2 is 10x is equal to 31.277 so on. Now equation 1 is x is equal to 3.1277 so on. Now on subtracting this, you get it as a 9x is equal to, here 0 0, you get 5 1 and 31 minus 3, that is of 28. That means on subtracting this, you get it as an 9x is equal to 28.15. Then x is equal to 28.15 by 9. Now on removing this decimal point, we have to take two zeros after the 9. Then you get it as an 2815. That means 2815 by 900. Now these both are divisible by 5 table. 5 5 is 25. Out of 28, if you subtract 25, you remains with 3. Then it becomes a 31. 6 are 30. 1 left. 5 3 is 15. No, 5 on the 5. Out of 9, if you subtract 5, 4 left. Then 8 are 40. 0. That means on converting this into the P by Q form, you get it as a 563 by 180. Okay.